Another day, another story to tell. Hi baby cakes, it's me again babes. This time I'm giving you a sneak peek into a cake I made for Zeus, Kid, and Nico. Yes mga baby cakes, hashtag ang peg natin today. Wow! This order nga pala came with 48 cupcakes. And naisip ko lagyan ng printed photo toppers yung mga cupcakes nila para mas presentable, personalized tingnan, tsaka uniform din sa cake natin. Kung mapapansin nyo nga pala, this was my first time using my brand new cake rotator. Finally nabinyagan at girl, very special ang event. So okay, back to our cake. Middle part lang ang edible dito, but makita nyo achieve na achieve pa rin naman natin yung gusto nating design. And yes, pwede po kayo magpagawa ng cake with dummy tiers. Perfect lalo na if you're on a budget or alam nyong for display lang naman yung cake pero gusto nyo ng something extravagant. So sa part na yan, tinatanggal ko yung fondant sa ibabaw ng dummy cake para mag-look ko yung edible tier niya sa taas. So, kung makikita nyo rin dito, naglagay ako ng dowel. Pearl straw lang talaga yung ginagamit ko as dowels. I don't use sticks kasi natakot ako baka makatusok. And I also don't use long dowels for my tiered cakes unless pag sobrang taas and all edible. Melted chocolate lang ang ginagamit kong pangdikit and so far surviving naman sila. Proven and tested ko na over the years. And of course, may cake board tayo for every tier kahit sa dami naglalagay ako ng cake board. And syempre gusto natin magpasalamat kay Miss Rosel. Thank you Rosel, grabe, this girl has been trusting Babes Confections for years pagdating sa celebrity events. And our friendship actually started when she saw my cake at Ronnie Alonte's event. She reached out to me and after that, ayun na, the rest was history. And if you're wondering, bakit kaya kailangan pa ng cake sa mga ganitong events? Simple lang. Cakes bring joy. It's not just dessert, it's centerpiece. It's conversation starter. It's memories wrapped in icing. And so, here's the final look of our cake, ready for the spotlight. The hashtag boys, Zeus, Kid, and Nico, thank you for gracing us with those charming smiles.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Babes Confection.
Ayan, Babes Confection, maraming salamat sa cake. Ayan, napakasarap, parang si Rosel lang. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
God bless.
Celebrating soon, let Babes Confections be part of your story. That's all baby cakes, till next time, bye!